Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to download and install official Amazon Prime Video app for your Windows PC or in your laptop. Okay, so for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. So if you are using Windows 11, so in some PC it will come pre-installed. So just press Windows key button and first you need to search Amazon Prime Video app. If the app is available, so you can use from there. So if the app is not available on your PC, now you need to download and install. Press Windows key button and here you need to search Microsoft Store on your PC and open it. Here you need to search Prime Video for Windows. Just open the search result like this, and here you can get the option install. Just we need to install it. It will take some time to install, so please don't disturb this installing process. Wait for a few minutes. So as you can see guys, our installation process was completed. Now you can easily open from here. Here you need to select your country region and click on sign up now. If you want to use the Amazon Prime, you need to have the subscription of Amazon Prime Video. After then you can easily able to use the Amazon Prime Video app on your Windows PC. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.